Hey guys, so in this video we are going to take a look at how to make a watermarked image. So this is just a super easy way to create a watermark out of your company logo. So first you just want to open whatever image you want to create the watermark over in Photoshop and import your company logo. So hopefully you've got a transparent image, some sort of a PNG or something vector that you can use. And so we've got our logo here. So what I'm going to want to do is maybe choose where I'm going to want the watermark. I'm thinking maybe this bottom corner over here. And the logo's a bit big, so with that logo layer selected, I'm going to just take Control T to open the free transform, and I'm going to hold down Shift while I resize this to make sure to keep the aspect ratio intact. I'm going to get it to about the size I want it. Maybe touch it over using the arrows. And then once I've got that at about the right size, still with that layer selected, with the logo layer selected, I'm going to go up to Image, Adjustments, Hue, Saturation, and I'm going to take this lightness and just pull it all the way up, and as you can see, that's just going to create an all white logo. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to take the opacity on this layer and drop that down as well. Something that's going to look about right here, and you might have to play with that level. It might depend a little bit on the image. You'll get something maybe like that, and just like that, you've got a watermark. And so you might want to end it right there. If you wanted to add a little bit more flair, what you could try is going down here to the effects and selecting bevel and emboss. And with that, you can kind of bevel your image a little bit, the watermark. So maybe you want to do something like that. And just like that, we've got a watermarked image, so you can just go ahead and save and you're good to go.